Hello students, so this is your second video on the chapter Interdependence in Living Being. So in the previous video we have already learned that how living things require non-living things for survival and what are producers or consumers. We also learn about scavengers and decomposers. So in this video we are going to start from imbalance in nature. So we have learned that not only plants and animals but living and non-living things are also interdependent on each other. So it is important for us to maintain a balance in nature. There is a very delicate balance in nature and damaging any part of it can cause serious harm. So what are the reasons for such imbalance in nature? Number one is deforestation. So indiscriminate felling of trees is called deforestation, and this deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. How? Because we know that plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. And this ensures a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. But deforestation reduces the amount of oxygen in the air, thus affecting the life of animals on the earth. Not only this, even soil erosion is another major problem, as trees prevent this soil erosion. So what is that? See, roots of the plants bind the soil together and prevent it from becoming barren. So due to deforestation, there is displacement of the upper layer of the soil. Not only this, even deforestation causes animals to lose their homes, and this may disturb the food chain in nature, which we have already read in the previous video. So therefore, it is very important for all of us to maintain the balance in nature. As we know, plants release water into air through their leaves as water vapor. We call it transpiration, right? So this water vapor becomes a part of the water cycle. But cutting of trees results in imbalance of water in nature as well. Another major problem is pollution. So pollution of water, air and soil has endangered many species. Factories and vehicles send toxic fumes up in the air, and excessive use of chemicals like DDT has killed several birds like pelican. Factories even release many poisonous substances into water bodies, resulting in the death of many water animals, and these all cause an imbalance in nature. So here we can say that pollution is another reason for imbalance in nature for which we are only responsible. We are responsible for causing air, water or soil pollution. So the only solution of this is to plant more and more trees, use less chemicals, release less smoke from vehicles or from factories, etc. We can do this by keeping our environment clean. The next one is global warming. So the question is, what is global warming? It is the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature caused by high levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So some of the gases in the air like carbon dioxide and water vapor trap heat, and this natural process is called the greenhouse effect. So increase in amount of carbon dioxide in air increases the greenhouse effect. Even some other gases are also there, such as methane, ozone and nitrous oxide. They also cause greenhouse effect, and this leads to global warming and drastic climate change worldwide. So this drastic change in temperature causes imbalance in nature as it changes the natural habitat of many living things. The next reason is hunting. So we know that forests are home to many animals. Animals like tigers and leopards are hunted for their skin, rhinos for their horns, elephants for tusks, camel, snake, and crocodile for their skin. So, various articles like fur coats, bags, shoes, combs are made from the body parts of different animals. That's why they are being killed. As a result of which their numbers has reduced, making them endangered species. So, what are endangered species? Endangered species or animals are those animals that may be lost forever in a few years if proper action is not taken to stop their decline. Means they are present in so less in number on this earth that after few years we would not able to see. Even our future generation may see them in pictures only. So those are endangered animals. So examples are Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephants, one-horned rhino, Asiatic lion, etc. Even some of them are pushed to verge of extinction. So some animals are there as they have been pushed to the verge of extinction. So extinction means they are going to extinct from this earth. So wildlife need to be safeguarded from hunters. It is very important. Now what is poaching? This illegal hunting of animals is called poaching. Even some animals are there which have already got extinct. So extinct means animals that have already disappeared from earth. So examples is dodo. So dodo is an extinct animal, means this species have already disappeared from this earth. So from this chapter we learned that our earth is really in danger as we human being or our act is responsible for such kind of results. So we all should try to minimize such actions slowly and gradually so that this earth become a better place to live for animals as well as for us.